we stop walking in slow-mo now?
Community, season 2 now on DVD.
6 months ago, Miley tested her relationship with Nick using the love calculator. She just sent the word marry, her name Miley, and her partner's name Nick, to 75555. It didn't look good, but she didn't listen.
How about you? Just text Mary, your name, and the name of your crush to 75555, or visit Jamster.com and subscribe to get up to 20 products like games for $9.99 a month.
Be amazed for 99 cents. Our 99-cent chicken flatbread sandwiches.
Really?
Now in 2